intuition, the universal consciousness. I am the source of life. I'm the force inside of you and every other life form. I give life, and my laws determine becoming and passing. I have created the universe as a manifestation of an idea. Every galaxy, every star, every planet, every human, animal, plant, and stone, every form of life in a depth of space not yet known to you, is the result of that manifestation. A long time ago, you turned away from me, replaced me with man-made religions, and you put gods above me. You pray to me and hope for help, but I'm neutral and I can't give you help. You can only help yourself by taking responsibility and living according to the natural laws and recommendations that you can observe in nature. Only this way, you and humanity as a whole can create a harmonious, fulfilled life and thrive. I gave you free will so that you have a choice between a peaceful life in harmony with the natural laws or a life full of war, misery, and hate, devoid of any values of substance. There is no heaven or hell, and you do not have only one lifetime. You will return to Earth because the human bears a spirit that never dies. Reincarnation is an essential law that I've created for you to learn, to gain knowledge, wisdom, and love in the course of many lifetimes until your evolution has reached a point where you no longer require a material body and ultimately return to me, the source of life, to raise also my evolution to a higher level.